carb cocktail guy. And if you watched my last video on how to make your own keto margarita mix with 0 carbs, I mentioned we're gonna be doing a few more, and this is one of my favorites. I don't know, margaritas, Mai Tai. Yeah, this is a Mai Tai. I don't know, I'm gonna say the Mai Tai. Squeaks out margarita is just a touch for me. So we're gonna be going ahead and making a Mai Tai. There's a lot of different versions of Mai Tais. You'll see some with pineapple juices and grenadine and all these other stuff in it. That's not the Mai Tai. That's not the original Mai Tai. Trader Vic's original Mai Tai was created in 1942. It was very simple. It was rum, it was a sweetener, a little bit of almond, a little bit of orange, and that was it. Everybody makes their own version of Mai Tai. I stick with the original, the true one, and Trader Vic does a pretty damn good job. So let's go ahead and get started with the 1942 Trader Vic's Mai Tai Keto Mix. So let's get started. So we need something to mix it all in. You know, mixing tin, big bucket, I don't care. Garbage can if you're making that much of it. You know, knock yourself out. So we're gonna start off with some simple syrup. We're gonna go with an allulose simple syrup because it's gonna have 0 net carbs. We're gonna do 10 ounces. 10 ounces of this. That's 8. And 2. And next we're gonna add some lime oleocitrate. Why am I putting this over there? There we go, that's where it goes. We do 8 ounces of that. So this is in place of a lime juice because this is gonna have 0 net carbs because there's no actual juice in it. It's just citric acid, malic acid, and lime oils. Oils from the lime skins, that's it, really. All right, so there's the base. Next, we're gonna go with those other flavors, that orgeat, which is an almond syrup. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 teaspoons of an almond extract. 1, 2 teaspoons of an almond extract. Next is 4 teaspoons of an orange extract, or you can call it a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Makes it a little bit easier. So, well, let's take the cap off, that ain't gonna work. So that's gonna be 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of our orange extract. There we go. Oh man, I'm already smelling it, loving it already. Is that a good mix? That's good. Yes, that's good. Just can't wait to add some rum. Now you see a lot of recipes on the internet for Mai Tais. They do different things, different types of rum, different blends of rum and all the other stuff. We're gonna make it a lot easier for you. First up, we're gonna bottle this. Like I said, this is gonna be a little over 16 ounces. It's gonna be about actually 17 ounces. These are 8-ounce bottles. Probably should have picked up something bigger, but I had a bunch of these, so I get these from like the Dollar Tree for $1. You can buy a bunch of these and bash this out for your friends, or just like make 8 bottles for yourself. I say whatever's good for you. Whatever's good for you. So there we go. There's our Mai Tai mix that's bottled. So like I said, we're gonna make this a lot easier for you. There was a rum is a rum. Denison Merchant Reserve 8-year. This was created, wrong word, created. This is a blend of rums that was done by Martin Kate of Smuggler's Cove to replicate the original rum blends of the 1944 Mai Tai. In 1944, the Mai Tai was made with a Jamaican rum and a Martinique rum. Nowadays, the Martinique rums are an agricole rum made with cane juice, but back in 1944, they were still made with molasses for the most part. And that's not really a common thing nowadays to find a molasses Martinique rum. But Martin Kate, oh Jesus Christ, I've drank too much today. Martin Kate came up with this blend and worked with Denison on producing and bottling this specific blend. It is a Jamaican rum and a molasses-based Martinique rum. So this has the flavor profile of the original 1944 Mai Tai. Well, that is after everybody drank all the Ray and Nephew 17-year, then they came up with this blend. So one bottle, you don't need 2 rums. That was a long way to say that. I went a long way around to say, you don't need 2 different rums, you don't need a Jamaican and a Martinique, you don't need a light and a dark, all that crap you see on the internet, and I'm guilty of it too, back in the day, that's what I did, but 1 rum, Denison's Merchant Reserve 8-year is all you need. And it's really very budget friendly. I want to say I paid less than 30 bucks for this. So let's make the Mai Tai. Super simple. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of our Mai Tai mix. And 2 ounces of Denison Merchant Reserve 8. And that's it. That's your Mai Tai. Well, when you batch out your Keto Mai Tai mix, it is. All right. Mai Tais are pretty simple. Just dump it in. Now, usually you'll have some crushed ice with it and everything else, and garnish it. You would have a half-spent lime shell from when you juiced your fresh lime juice, plus a mint sprig. So we're just gonna garnish this with a nice, healthy piece of mint. And there you have the Keto Mai Tai. That's a yummy. That's a yummy. Absolutely delicious. So, and guys, if you make the Mai Tai yourself using an almond syrup, you know, Mona makes a sugar-free almond syrup, and if you follow my recipe for your homemade sugar-free orange liqueur, it does taste better. I'm not gonna lie, it is better. But for just a quick, make a batch of stuff, this is really, really good just to batch out your Mai Tais. You got that nice almond flavor, some of the orange, with that Denison rum. Oh my God, that is so, so good. That's so good. Hey, and if you like my video, don't forget, click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, do all the things YouTubers tell you to do. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because I'm gonna have a great day too. See you later.